I am the tofu golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by collecting the right chain, a chain tool, quick link, and a rag. Put the bike in the smallest ring and smallest rear cog so the drivetrain is relaxed. Once done, lay the old chain flat, count links, and align the new chain alongside it. Mark the cutting point with the chain tool pin. Make sure the new chain matches the old chain length before any cutting. This prevents skipping and poor shifting later. With the new chain marked, secure it in the chain tool and drive the pin far enough to separate links without bending plates. Feed the trimmed chain through the rear derailleur following the same path the old chain took. Watch pulley direction and tension. Connect the ends using the supplied pin or a quick link. If using a pin, seat it square and break the tool collar off if required. Apply a light film of chain lube, then pedal slowly by reinstall the wheel and slowly pedal while shifting through every gear to confirm smooth engagement. If you notice hesitation, make small cable tension adjustments with the barrel adjuster and set high and low limit screws to prevent drops. Check for any stiff link by flexing it laterally and relubing. If it remains stiff or the chain skips under load, remove it and inspect the join or replace the chain. Remember, correct length and proper joining prevent most problems, so double-check those steps first.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.